Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan pizza dough. First, let's combine our dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. You will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of fine sea salt. Whisk these together thoroughly to ensure they are evenly distributed. This foundational step is crucial for consistent flavor and texture in your finished pizza crust. Now, let's activate the yeast. In a separate bowl, pour 1 1/2 cups of warm water, ideally between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast and stir gently, then let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. This shows the yeast is alive and ready. Once foamy, pour the yeast mixture into your dry ingredients and mix with a wooden spoon until a shaggy dough forms. Next, transfer your dough onto a lightly floured countertop. Knead the dough for about 7 to 10 minutes, consistently pushing, folding, and turning it. You want the dough to become smooth, soft, and quite elastic. Once ready, lightly oil a clean bowl, place the dough inside, and turn it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a damp towel, then let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it is doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough to release the air. This step helps create a finer crumb structure. Turn the dough onto your floured surface and divide it into 2 equal portions. You can now shape one portion for your pizza and freeze the other for later if desired. Let your shaped dough rest for another 10 to 15 minutes before adding toppings. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit during this final resting period for a perfectly crispy crust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.